Data security is so challenging because we need to protect our intellectual property. If we were to manually go through all the permissions, it would probably be a team of people for 6 months or more. With Varonis, we're able to see it and automatically remediate it. It's been fantastic. Varonis is giving us the visibility that we need in Office 365. When we discovered all the links that people had used that they had shared with anyone, we were able to remediate that instantly. We shut down the links, and we wouldn't have been able to do it without Varonis. We've been able to save a lot of time with the automated remediation. The ability to identify what's not secured properly or what might be overexposed and to immediately remediate that has been a huge win for us. Labeling is hard because you're relying on your employees to understand, read the policies, and apply the labels correctly. So much easier when Varonis is looking at it, identifying what the information is, and applying the labels. The transition was very smooth when we moved from self-hosted to SaaS. The Varonis team was great. They were with us the whole way, and they made it a seamless transition. We really get the visibility of where the data is, where it's going, and the ability to protect it very quickly. And we wouldn't have that without Varonis.